Good morning. Today we will talk about hydrolysis of xenon fluorides. Xenon has got xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride. Literally, xenon octafluoride is possible, but it doesn't exist because of the steric reasons. If xenon has to form 8 bonds with the fluorine, steric crowding is very higher due to size differences. That's why it does not exist. Only 3 fluorides exist here. So we'll talk about the hydrolysis of these xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride and xenon hexafluoride. Let's take simple reaction. Xenon difluoride reacts with water के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा. Before going into this, we'll see xenon has got 3 types of oxidation numbers. One is +2, one is +4, one is +6. So out of these 3, +6 is considered to be stable and +2 is unstable. Even the +4 is also unstable. But whenever xenon is present in +2 state, it tends to decompose. Whereas when it is present in +4 oxidation state, it undergoes into disproportionates. And +6 oxidation number is considered to be stable oxidation number. So keeping these things in the mind, we'll proceed with the hydrolysis here. I have taken xenon difluoride here, which I'll react it with 2 moles of water, which reacts with 2 moles of water. So let me take it properly. Reacts with 2 moles of water, that is HOH. So you can notice one thing, that I have taken same number of water molecules as number of halogens present in it, so that our reaction becomes easier. So the very first one, यहाँ से लेकर, so here the 2 fluorines and 2 hydrogens are removed in the form of HF. Minus 2HF is out. Now the compound formed would be XeOH taken twice is formed. But it is also very unstable compound. Xenon oxygen bond does not exist. Immediately it loses another water molecule. H2O. On loss of one water molecule, it produces xenon oxide. XeO is formed here. In XeO, xenon exhibits +2 oxidation state, which is very unstable, and it decomposes. यहाँ decomposition takes place. टूट जाता है पूरा. Decomposes and produces xenon plus oxygen. इसका रीज़न भी बताना चाहता हूँ मैं. Whenever xenon forms double bonded oxygen, it has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lone pairs around it. When it has all these lone pairs, the percentage of S character in lone pair increases and this bond becomes very weak. That's why ये जल्दी टूट जाता है. Xenon monofluoride, XeO, very unstable because of these lone pairs. So that's why you should write always decomposition of XeO लिखना है. The final products are xenon and oxygen. Right. Now we'll talk about XeF4 के बारे में बात करेंगे. So this is important here. XeF4. In XeF4, xenon exhibits +4 oxidation number, so which is an intermediary oxidation number which undergoes into disproportionation. So for that, for ease of understanding, I will take 4 moles of water molecules first which I'll react it with 4 moles of water molecules. So now I can remove 4 moles of HF. So it gives us, I'll write minus 4 moles of HF. So this gives us XeOH taken 4, which is again unstable, and it undergoes dehydration. It loses water. How many water molecules can it be losing here? Because 4 hydrogens are there, it can lose max of 2 water molecules. If it loses 2 water molecules, it forms Xe. 2 out of 4, 2 oxygens are gone with water, and it has got XeO2. In XeO2, xenon exhibits oxidation number 4, which is an intermediary oxidation number, which again has to disproportionate. So we'll go for disproportionation. So this will be disproportionated to form XeO plus XeO3. Again XeO further decomposes and produces the same products. XeO decomposes to produce xenon and oxygen. That means in this reaction the final products would be xenon trioxide, which is stable with plus 6 oxidation number, xenon, and oxygen gas is released. Apart from this, we have some HF molecules also left over. So these are the final products of this xenon tetrafluoride. टेट्राफ्लोराइड का हाइड्रोलिसिस में ये मिल जाता है. So this is very important reaction है. Xenon tetrafluoride is very important reaction, right? So I'll show you the final reaction from the NCERT where we have this one. You check out this one, xenon ka. Xenon tetrafluoride reacts with water and produces xenon, xenon trioxide, HF and oxygen. Nothing else. Only these compounds are formed here. So very important hydrolysis reaction for xenon. Thank you.